It's going down today. It's an exciting day. It's a very, very exciting day. We're here at Maui Off-Road, thanks to Jeff. The day has come. Suburban's getting lifted. Alright, got everything all laid out. All rough country stuff. Now, get all this stuff installed in the rear and over there in the front. Wish us luck. Yee! Okay, everything's off on the driver's side. Just gotta drop the sway bar bracket, mamaya after we disassemble the other side, and yeah, change that over.
And we're doing the right side right now, taking the front end apart. Keone's working on the strip, Suburban. 6-inch lift is going on today.
7.
Oh, 7-inch lift. My bad. Alright, keep back with you guys later. Brought a kick here, mounting up the rims. Grenade, XD 20x12 grenades. We're gonna use these tires today. Tires didn't come in yet for some reason. I'm back shipment. We're gonna use the Toyo Open Country 35.
He's doing So, rim and tire one mounted. Thanks to COVID, these aren't the tires that I ordered, but they are coming. And Jeff, the cool guy that he is, he's more or less lending these to me. Hey, little update. Got everything cut out, trimmed out where it says to cut, everything, and everything's out. Now to work on reassembling the front.
Okay, we got the front brackets down, in, front drop down. Moving on to the back. Ouch! Yeah, but I just hit my head. If you hear that, ouch.
What's up? That's it.
Okay, back in. Slowly coming along.
After you get that in, then you can tighten up the
Whoa.
differential bolts, and then bolt up your drive shaft. Make sure you put lock side on your drive shaft.
Got the third member drop down brackets in. Other one should be on the other side. Right up in there. Keone's bolting it in right now.
Can you get
Number one certain Popeye mechanic, Jeff. Number one mechanic from Maui Off-Road.
Alright, update, got the strut in, CV shafts, lower control arm, lower brackets, got to tighten up the lower control arm and everything, getting it back together. Alright, assuming getting the back done. Larry's doing the back. Finishing up the front with the brake lines. So, in the front, I opted to go with the extended braided steel brake lines instead of just the drop bracket. Upgrading from these to these. Much better on both sides. Got it hooked up. and setting it in. All right. Okay, getting the tires on. Everything underneath all buttoned up and tight. Everything. Getting everything done in the front, almost done in the back. I'm going at this thing all day. Getting it all trimmed, so no rub. By the master himself. Okay, rims are on, spike lug nuts all torqued down, properly torqued, and this thing needs to be cleaned.
Whole thing garage, baby. Just finished the Suburban. Maui off-road. All right. Back and forth. Yeah. Should have front settle.